Welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to design product package, right? So we're designing a product package for a cookie brand right inside Canva. So let's dive right in. Color. Let's give a background a color. So we'll be using a brownish color to 231 F20. Yeah, so this is a color. Let's go to elements to get our first element, which is chocolate chips. That's the name. Bring it down. And then go to edit to blur the photo. We're using the whole image blur, so just increase the intensity. Then this is okay. Let's go to apps. We'll be using a Canva app called Typecraft to get our snacky done. Let's type the name snacky. Let's give it a different font. So we're using this punchy regular 123. That's the font. It is selected. Let's go back. And now we'll leave this mirror point at the default setting. And then let's change the color to white. I just type in FFFF. Yeah, that's the color. Then we'll play around with this to get the feel, the look we want. So just stretch it out from this end. All right, I think we can work with this. So add to design. Place it somewhere here. Let's go to test, so we can type in our first test. Cookies. We want this in Montserrat. So let's find the font Montserrat. Here it is. We want it in Montserrat regular. I think it's, yeah, regular. That's the font. Now let's make it all caps and reduce the font size. I think this size works well. All right, so let's duplicate this and type in the next word, unjaunt. Unjaunt. Let's duplicate again. Enter another text, sheeps. But this time we want it bold. We need to increase the font size. Let me take back the letter spacing. I don't want this one to be spaced, so let's keep it at zero spacing. Let's get a line where we can put in the nutritional facts. So stretch it out, duplicate, get another line that we can rotate to 90 degrees. Reduce erase this. Let's go ahead and bring in our element. We're using this one, which is chocolate chip cookies. So bring it in, reduce the size, change the position to front. Then we'll also get this one, which is chocolate chip cookie. It has same name, so just search for chocolate chip cookie, you find it. So this will go here, and then let's copy this style, the blur we added here. Let's copy it to this so that we don't have to go back to the blur tool. So that's the shortest way to add blur to your element, especially if you've added it to a previous element in your design. And let's change the color of this unjumped to this color. The code is DC7C27. We need to enter just a little text. I think I'll need to let me use another tool. Let's go to apps, because the text we want to enter, assuming this is a real project, then we can enter something that makes sense. So we're using the Lorem Ipsum tool to enter a placeholder text. So you can use Lorem Ipsum to enter, if you're working on a project, maybe for your portfolio, and you don't have the real text, you can use this app to generate text for you. So I just need a few lines. Okay, let's leave it at 10. Not sure I want it in 16, so let's change the font size to maybe 12. So our text is already here. I just select it and change the color so it can be visible. Bring it down here. All right, let's go back to elements so we can get yet another element. We're looking for, let me search for it. We're looking for, okay, let's use the word cookie, and let's search for a graphical representation of cookie. Video to modify my search to chocolate chips icon. So this is the icon I was actually looking for. So you can find it here. The name is chocolate chips icon. Let's change the color to this color. Resize it. Place it somewhere here. Let's zoom in and resize. So let's duplicate that, bring it down here. All right, let's go back and get another element. We need a nutrition fact. So we're using this one, nutritional fact guide. If it's a real project, of course, you should have a nutritional fact for the product you're designing for. So place it here. And then we have a text that should be here. So let me get my text. Already copied and pasted. So it's just healthy with no additives, that's all. So let's change this to match the color in our design. So this is what our design looks like. Let's go back. We need a name for our design, our product, so we need to include the product name. So just add a square shape. So you can add a product name, stretch it out. Let's add a corner rounding. We can duplicate this cookie here bring it down. Choco Crunch. So the content in this product, in this, the product, the package is called Choco Crunch. So you know how we have different names for a brand that has variety of the same products. So that's the idea behind this name. So let's change this to Montserrat. Let's see what semi-bold looks like. Or medium. Okay, let's leave it as semi-bold. And we'll change this color to the color in our background. Let's get another element, which is this cookie. It should be somewhere here. Okay, let me delete this and just enter the name Choco Crunch. And let's change the font to Montserrat semi-bold. And then increase the size. Place it here. Yeah, let's reduce this name. And then this one here, let's change it to white. So this is what our design looks like. This is not perfectly aligned. Let's use the up arrow key. All right. One last thing we need for this design is to enter a cookie background that we can okay, let's get this one. Let me see if I can find something. Let me delete this. Let's see this. It should be to the back. And then we reduce the transparency. Eight. So this is better. So this is our design. All right, there's another text that we forgot to add. Let me include it. It should be somewhere here. A little smaller than the other text. And the color should be different. Let me find a suitable color for it. You can use something like this. So whatever your design, it all depends on your style of design and the things you would want to include. So, but for me, this is okay. So the next thing I would do for this design is to create a mock-up so that my clients can see what it will look like when it is printed on for their package. So let's now go ahead and do a mock-up of this design. To mock-up, I need to correct something here. So this one should be white, and then this one is color. So now we can go ahead and create the mockup for our product. To find the mockup, you need to go to apps from your home page and then scroll down to find mockups. So this is the Canva mockup, inbuilt Canva mockup tool. And what we are looking for is package. So select package. So here is the one we'll be using. And let's go to select. So we can pick our package. Let me upload because I already downloaded the image, the design we just did. So I downloaded it to upload. You can actually use the design from here, but because I am not sure all the elements have been properly saved, as you can see, if I want to use this one here, see that the color is still the orange color that I recently changed before downloading. So that's why I didn't want to use the design. So I'd rather go for uploads. So our design has been uploaded. I'll just select it. And this is it. So this is our package beautifully represented. So now we can save. You can save your mockup and then download it. So this is how to, so you have the option of downloading or using in a new design, so it's all left for you. So this is just how to design a package right inside Canva. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I can't wait to see you replicate this. So see you in my next tutorial.